Hey guys, Billy Jenkins here with Silver Creek Doodles. It's vet day today for Maya and Hank's litter of 5. Hey guys. Sweet little boy. Grumpy face. Everybody's getting all the snuggles.
Oh, I get you.
His eye matches your shirt.
Oh, it does. I was gonna say, look at that blue eye. Oh my gosh. And then we got the chocolate in the bowl.
I know, they're like, don't you have extra hands? Don't you have extra hands?
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? You're coming out of your shell a little bit, huh? Yeah. What you doing? Oh, one went out the back door.
Where you going, Missy? Huh? The girl got out of here.
He's like, I'm out.
That girl's getting
They
out
got
of
me
here, huh?
They got me out.
Look at him all about you. Oh.
You do. Oh, you got me right in the mouth. Right in the mouth.
All right, guys, our exam is done. Now we get to go back home. Yeah. All right, let's go get in the car. Let's go get in the car. Good job. Good job. All right, so the vet exam went perfect, as you can see when I took some videos after the doctor left the room, but we made it back home. We did have 1 or 2 get car sick, but that's normal for most. That's okay. What we're gonna do, I do want to add in some videos. Maya's guardians, when they come to pick her up, they came to visit. So what I'm gonna do, let's go ahead and get them up. But in the meantime, let me go ahead and show you some of those videos of when they came.
Feels like my solo days are over.
So yeah, don't want me.
She don't want me either. Oh, there's the scissors.
There's Carol. She's like, who are you? You've been gone for so long.
She's like, all right, we don't have to share you. We don't have to share my mama. We don't have to share my mama. Maya. Maya.
I bet she missed her though.
Maya. Oh.
She's still chunky. I know. She's perfect though.
Girl, what are you doing, my girl? Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. What are you doing? You got babies?
Look at them. Doing a standoff with each other. What is that? Huh? Who is that? Huh? You tell her. You tell her.
Maya, I love her. I love her. She looks like you. Or he looks like you. Look at your little girl.
There's blue eyes.
Oh, look at your blue eyes. Maya, I love it. You're just so good. You're so fluffy. Look here.
Carol says, what are those things?
Carol's like, I don't know about all that.
I like your blue eye. Oh my goodness. Maya, they're the prettiest ever. They're the prettiest ever. They are. They're so pretty. What are you doing? Oh my goodness.
Oh, smells mama.
Oh my goodness. Look. Oh, Maya, I love him. I love you.
Getting a puppy breath.
You see the puppy breath?
She's like, but look, it's like the little trembly one.
Look.
There's orange. Like, where's mom?
You're the rounder, I think, of them.
Are you the rounder?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're the rounder.
No, 2.
Maya, I love them. I love
2
them.
out of 5, yeah.
I love them.
I traded you 2 big dogs.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see this one. Color.
No, it's the girl.
Oh, I do love her darker colors. Here, show
No.
me.
No.
Let me see it.
I love these.
Sure though, look at that one's fluffy too.
I like the little wavy. I like the wavy coat.
Oh, she's cute. This chocolate one's like, excuse me, but
You're a calm one.
Are
you ready now?
look.
This one's the calm
Puppy
one.
heaven.
Mom, this one's the calm one. Puppy heaven. Look at you.
Mr. Red, he's very chill.
Maya, I love them all. I love them all. Look at you. You're just chilling on my lap. Yeah. Maya, you're just so good. Yeah. I like the golden one. Can we have that one?
Yeah, just because, like, you know, we're just
Why?
not puppy
Or
poor
this
already.
one. Or the pink one.
What
is it? What is it? You're just so chill. You could just relax. What? Do you like me or something? Where are you going? Hey, where are you going?
He's kind of curly, or is it he? The red one?
Yeah, this one's the
Curlier, doesn't he?
What is it?
Your mama loving on him. I ain't loving on Thomas.
What? What? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where do you want to go?
All right, so these are our 2 puppies that are reserved. So Miss Pink is reserved. She was reserved as the first puppy. And then Mr. Orange, which the family, you know, is picking between orange and green. And orange is who she decided. So these 2 puppies are reserved. And then these 3 are the available puppies. So they are all 3 boys. So we've got Mr. Blue, Mr. Green in the center, and then we've got Mr. Red. So Mr. Red is our smallest. Doesn't mean exactly that he is going to be the smallest, but I do kind of think that he is going to be because he seems like he's got smaller features than the rest of them. But these are our 3 available puppies, so let me know if you have any interest.